Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate that methods in an interface are by default abstract methods in Java. So let's get started. So the purpose of the interface, as already explained in one of the previous sessions about the purpose of the interface, is full abstraction, right? Full abstraction, that is zero implementation. That means whenever I create a method inside an interface, for that method, I can only do the declaration, but I cannot create a body. Okay, the reason behind that is by default, when you create the methods inside an interface, those methods are by default abstract methods. Whether you specify the abstract modifier or whether you have not specified this abstract modifier, by default, the methods that you create inside an interface will be treated as abstract methods. Okay, to support this full abstraction concept, so Java has designed something like this. When you create methods inside an interface, automatically they will be abstract methods which will only contain the declaration, which cannot contain the body. So let me show you practically. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Here inside a package, I'll going to create a new interface. I'll just name this interface as interface A, like this. I'm just naming this as interface A. Click on finish. Now a interface got created. Interface name, starting of the interface, ending of the interface. So inside this interface body, I want to create a method. Public void sample A method I am creating. I give the circular brackets. Now, if I want to create the body for this method inside this interface, starting of the body, ending of the body, immediately you will get a Java compiler error saying abstract methods do not specify a body. That's what it's saying. That means the methods you are writing or creating inside the interface are by default treated as abstract methods. Did I ever mention any abstract modifier here, because of which this method is treated as an abstract method? No, right? Normal method. This is a normal method. Even though this is a normal method created inside an interface, Java will treat this method by default as abstract method. You don't have to specifically mention this abstract non-access modifier before this method. Whether you specify or by default, if you don't specify, by default, this particular method will be treated inside. Okay, the method which is created inside the interface will be treated as abstract method. Abstract methods will not have any body. Just remove this, put a semicolon. You see, error is gone. No matter how many methods you created inside this interface, no matter how many methods you will create inside an interface, you cannot have this method body, guys, for that methods. Because these methods are by default abstract methods, even though I have not specially specified this abstract modifier. Okay, no need to specify, guys. If you specify also, no use. That is same thing. Okay, by default, these methods are abstract methods. Public void sample D. I cannot create method bodies, guys. You see, only the declaration of the methods I can do, because these methods which are created inside the interface are by default treated as abstract methods. So hope, guys, you understood how the methods which are created inside are treated by Java as abstract methods by default. So for which you can only do the declaration, but we cannot specify or implement the body for that methods, because because the Java is treating these methods inside an interface as abstract methods because of this interface concept known as full abstraction. Interfaces are all about full abstraction. To make this possible, Java is by default making the normal methods which are created inside the interface as abstract methods. That's what is the reason. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.